Before you recycle your boxes, you're going to want to watch this. The first thing to do is wrap the boxes. I'm going to show you how to wrap the boxes because it is important not to have tape showing. Now we're going to do simple ribbon bows. To hang the gifts, you will need an extendable shower curtain rod. You will need curtain fairy lights. Wrap the fairy lights around the rod so that you have a string of fairy lights hanging down about every 6 inches. Then add evergreen garlands to the rod to cover it. Stagger the heights of the gifts. As you can see, the gifts are not secure. You can leave them like this, but I did not want them to spin, so I looped Scotch tape to the back and adhered them to the window. I wanted to add a little more interest, so I hung ornaments at varying heights with invisible thread. Make sure to tie multiple knots in the invisible thread as it has a tendency to slip and come loose. I love this display. It is so festive and unique.